Hi guys, today we're gonna make slime. So first of all, you need glue, and I'm gonna choose this pink one because I like pink. So you need to add a lot of glue. If you want it very big, you need to put a lot of glue. If you want it small, which I'm gonna put it small, you need a little bit of glue. I'm gonna put a little bit of glue because I don't want a big slime. So okay, when you have the glue in there, then you need some activator. I'm gonna use this one because it glows in the dark, and I want a glow in the dark slime. So you're gonna put a little bit in there and start mixing. You're gonna add a little bit more because mine's sticky. Start mixing again. And it should start grabbing all the, it should be like getting into like a blob like mine. If it's not, just keep putting activator. Start mixing it. When it's like mine, like a blob, you're gonna pick it up and start kneading it. So it's like stretchier, and you need to mix it better if you need it. And if it's still sticky, mine's not sticky, but if it's still sticky, you put more activator. But mine's not sticky at all, so that's good. You don't want your slime sticky because then it's gonna get all over the place, and it'll look like this. And yeah, you can do this with any activator and any glue. You just need it. And yeah, that's it. Bye.